Speaker, there's capacity for almost 2,000 more court sitting days that are not being used for rape or other trials at the moment. Why isn't the Justice Secretary prioritising funding these days to help reduce the backlog rather than trying to scrap jury trials?
Minister.
Well, we are looking where we can to invest as much as possible, but I would remind him that what we've got to look at when we talk about investment in sitting days is system capacity. And that requires not just judicial time, but it requires sufficient numbers of barristers, both defence and prosecution. And as the previous Lord Chancellor said, we can't simply 3D print those. What we've got to do is invest in the professions, which is exactly what we announced last week. £92 million in legal aid for criminal solicitors, an additional £34 million for the barristers. All of that, plus, I should say, match funding for criminal law pupilages to develop the talent pipeline, all of that increases the system capacity so that when we add on the sitting days, it's not just a judge sitting there waiting for a barrister to turn up, which sometimes doesn't happen and leads to the trial being adjourned. We have enough system capacity to run at the most maximalist and most productive level possible.